Update 2 for Mauritius on Cyclone Berguitta, which was named this afternoon. It's got winds of 45 miles per hour and a pressure of 997 millibars as of 6 p.m. Mauritius time on January 13th. A Class 2 warning is in effect for the island of Rodrigues. It's at 17.6 degrees south, 64.4 degrees east, and drawing closer to that island, but it will pass, we expect, to the north. On the forecast, this is what it looks like over the next few days. The storm is expected to intensify significantly by the time we reach next week, and it will venture towards St. Brandon, and then according to the models, which are still fairly split on this, it could then go on to impact one or both of the main Mascarene islands of Mauritius and Reunion. So this is one to watch out for, especially into the middle of next week. Right now it's a moderate tropical storm according to Meteo France. It's a CDPS stage 2, and you can see the wind field there not very far away from the island of Rodrigues, which is a small one there at the bottom of the screen. There's a Class 2 warning in effect there, and that could be raised to Class 3 according to the Mauritius Weather Service later this evening. Here's what it's going to look like in the next few days rainfall wise. You can see the chance of storm conditions there by the percentages over these next few days. The island of Rodrigues on the right hand side there with a more than half chance, and then it ventures towards St. Brandon as it will affect that area Monday, Tuesday especially, and then chances will begin to rise over in Mauritius as we enter the latter part of this coming week. And you can see there the storm moving closer and closer. At the moment we're putting it at 36% because of uncertainty. The storm may still venture significantly to the north of the islands yet, but we will wait and see. The current sea surface temperatures look like this, very much unchanged from yesterday's update, 27s and 28s, which is very much enough for sustained strengthening of this cyclone. And what will also help at the moment is low amounts of wind shear. This is what the map looks like right now. The dark blue areas indicating the lowest amounts of wind shear, the reds having the highest amounts there. As you can see, the storm marks by the little icon there shows that it is in a very good environment. This is how the storm's been looking visibly today on the visible satellite imagery. You can see it's been moving sort of just south of west by the looks of things, and is a little bit bare on the southern side, but you can clearly see it's got a circulation. There's the infrared views, and the storm not too far away from those islands now, but it will take a few days to get there because it's going to be moving rather slowly by our standards probably in the southwest Indian Ocean. We do get some like these, but we'll have another update for you later tonight on this storm as it progresses towards the west. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, still under construction at this time, but pop over anyway and see what we're doing. You can also subscribe on YouTube if you haven't already, search Force 13. Same on Facebook, pop us a like over there as well, that would be nice. And you can follow us on Twitter, search Force 13, all in text, and you can tweet us too. You can add our official Skype account, Force13, or add my personal account on Discord, Fool13, #9094. You can also converse with like-minded storm trackers in the Indian Ocean at Meteo A Cyclone Maurice, our new partners for this cyclone. Details in the description.